Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Spriggy Pocket Money on your phone. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, you must be an Australian citizen or you must be on Australia or at Australia to download Spriggy Pocket Money. Go ahead and go to the Play Store and then go to the search bar to search for Spriggy Pocket Money. So you can see that this application is not available here. So if it's not available here, you can still download it. So you can see I have downloaded it and you can install it from APK Pure. So if you don't know what APK Pure is, you can download it from Google. APK Pure can be found it. So you can see this is the icon of APK Pure. I'm not going to show how you can download APK Pure for some community guidelines issues, but you can see that if you go to APK Pure and search for Spriggy Pocket Money, you can see that it will open. So go ahead and click on open, and now you can either sign up or log into Spriggy Money, Australia's #1 money app for kids and teens. I hope this video about how you can download Spriggy Pocket Money was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.